My dear and sweet students, a very good morning to you all. Today I will talk about the connectors and the types of connectors. Firstly, what is connectors? Sentence connectors or linkers. Sentence connectors are the word or words that are used to connect the two or more than two words, phrases, clauses. Sentence connectors are very useful and essential devices for paragraphs, essays, letters, or any kinds of note and writings that goes beyond single sentences. Suppose if you write something that is more than one sentences, then of course you have to use the connectors. If you use connectors, your writing should be vivid. Your writing should be vivid and smooth. And these linkers or connectors show a smooth flow and harmony in your writings. So, my dear students, the kinds of linkers are four types. The basic types of sentence connectors are four. Number one, coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and conjunctive adverbs, that is joiner. A conjunction or conjunctive adverbs is a joiner or word that connects the parts of sentences. The act of connectors is to join the parts of sentences. So, coordinating conjunctions that must always join grammatically equal parallel elements, verb plus verb, noun plus noun, independent clause plus independent clause, parallel, equal. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions in English. An easy way to remember the 7 conjunctions is to think of acronym fan boys, FANBOYS, fan boys. Altogether there are 7 letters here. Each of the letters in these unusual words fan boys, in this unusual word fan boys, is the first letter of one of the coordinating conjunction. The most common are F for A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. So, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These 7 are coordinating conjunctions in English. Very easy to remember. The acronym word, unusual word, the acronyms, fanboys. This unusual word, remember, fanboys. And for each letter will be 7 coordinating conjunctions you will get easily. Thank you very much. Again, I will come back with the new tips. Okay, bye bye.